How to set up a Facebook group for business. Are you thinking of creating a Facebook group for your business? Great! Facebook groups are among the most overlooked marketing tools on the web, and they have massive potential to help you grow your brand. The good news is that getting set up is really very simple too. Keep listening, and I'll show you the steps. Step 1. You'll first need to find the hamburger menu in the top right of the Facebook app, or the down arrow if you're using a browser on a PC. Now choose Find Groups, and then click the Create Group button on the far left-hand side. A pop-up window will open. Step 2. Now you can enter the name of your group. Choose something that accurately describes what your group is about, and that caters to a very specific audience. Don't try to appeal to everyone or to be too broad. You'll end up appealing to no one at all. Step 3. Now add some people to your group to help get the discussions flowing. You'll need to enter at least 2 names or email addresses at this stage, but if you can enter more, then so much the better. Step 4. The next step is perhaps the one you need to give the most thought to. You'll now need to choose a privacy setting. There are 3. Public. Anyone can discover your group and see what you have posted. Closed. Anyone can see the group and who created it, but only members will be able to see the content that gets posted. Secret. Only members will be able to discover the group at all. If your aim is to grow your group quickly to include lots of new members, then of course you want it to be public. Actually though, it's often better to choose a secret group, as this way you can make it seem more exclusive and exciting. A lot of people will ask to join your group just because they'll want to see what's there. Step 5. Finally, click the Create button and you're good to go. There are many more settings to consider, but that's all you need to know to get your group up and running.